Hello, my name is Sophie. This is my first YouTube video and I'm going to be singing Girl Crush.
So big. What the fuck? Hey guys. Hi guys. A burning cat. Welcome back to our channel. Back. Welcome back. I can't even see the food. Wow. Dude. What did look at her? Michael Jackson. I know this table is so dirty. Oh, KRISTA, there's plastic forks right there.
What is already?
Say entrepreneur. Oh, what? For moving? First, let's talk about boys. Okay. They put fucking. Oh, our thumbnail.
No.
Thumbnail.
Call Chipotle right now.
Thumbnail. Okay. You guys got more meat than I did, and I got double meat.
Do you want some more meat?
No, that's look. They literally gave me nothing.
They put so much sour cream on this. Like, look at this. Do you guys see this?
I guess we're suing. Time to sue.
You get me?
Mama, I thought you said. I thought you said get us Chipotle, not
you.
Did you?
I'm salad right now. Bro, where is my...
Who did that?
Who did that?
Let's talk about boys and stuff.
I like brunettes. That's it.
I just have a thing for blonde hair, blue-eyed guys.
Cody's blonde, isn't he?
Sophie, you never fucking met Cody Daniel.
Isn't that your cousin? Cody Hobbs?
Not that Cody.
What? What?
This macaroni is good. That looks so bad. Do you see that? It looked like.
Who's it about though?
I'm just joking.
Oh, okay.
I was in another room.
What?
I was daydreaming.
Oh. Nothing's fun.
What? One time we found an old carpet in the alley. Okay, shut up. Me and this dumb 10-year-old bitch thought it would be a good idea to try to make a hammock. So we decided to get a hammer and nails and try to nail this carpet to our neighbor's garage.
To her neighbor. It's like bang.
It was a metal garage. And then the fucking neighbor across the street said, "Hey, I'm calling the cops." And we started running. We got up.
I went home.
She got so scared she walked home.
Remember when you guys used to lock me in the closet?
And play baseball.
They'd be like, and she'd be like,
You're not
hitting the ball hard enough. Take a bite of it.
See you guys in the
Sophie, you got cheese on me.
Oh my god, you're psycho.
No, I just did my laundry. Make a little. Spicy sauce.
How many tortillas did you get?
Told me why. They just gave us 3 big ones, and then.
Why is this in my food?
Gimme. Where's your?
Why is this in my food?
Yeah, no.
Hey guys, we just found a sticker on top of my food.
Insert phone call here.
What? It's a cool pop.
I used to do that when we try to sneak pop. We'd pour them in a cup so they wouldn't look at it.
You can eat that. Thanks. I had them in that machine. They're
Just a try. You're mad too.
Thanks, Krista.
Yeah, thanks, Chris.
Sorry that it was gross and you had stickers, but
The cookie, she probably put breast milk in it.
I remember
What?
when. Never mind.
Out of me!
Because I know what we can watch.
Scary stories.
Scary
Tell me.
stories.
You need to
can we watch Saw?
I'm just joking.
It's
You're
just
not black.
blasphemy.
You take Spanish, right?
Spanish too.
I take Latin.
Isn't that Spanish?
No.
What does it say?
Did you guys think I was lying when I said there's no meat in here? Because there's zero.
This is you. Oh, we forgot your shoe.
Oh my god, yeah. What?
Steven bought me.
Is that what I look like? Let me see.
Did you? Oh. Go find a movie to watch.
Wait,
Right,
let me do
ladies?
something real quick.
Right, ladies?
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is not clickbait.
I'm scared to eat mine.
They.
We're gonna find a toenail next.
I have sour cream on my titties.
Bruh. Oh my god. What?
Like make them super long.
Oh my god.
Cause my best friend finna, she finna. Oh, your best friend, that's my best friend, that's my best friend. That's my best friend, that's my best friend. You better fuck it up. Best friend, won't you? Come on, best friend, let's go. Won't you throw it in a circle, yeah?
I'm scared. I don't know what was that, guys, and I didn't do that. I'm scared.
Nigga, flossing ass nigga.
Nigga.
What?
The bitch they hate and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, off the juice, codeine got me tripping.
It's okay.
No, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Imagine it doesn't eat us.
You ain't dead yet. Oh, I didn't even.
All that for this? All this for that?